Hello friends, Robert Joni, and the power thought for the day is collaborate and mastermind more. What comes to mind today, earlier I set an appointment with what some would call a competitor in my industry, but the reality is that it's a huge market. If you have an abundance mindset and doing things right, we set ourselves apart regardless. So we can learn so much from other successful people, maybe not in the same company or even the same industry, maybe so, but if we approach the appointment and the connection from an abundant, sharing ideals freely mindset, my goodness, we can learn so much from each other. So again, let's all collaborate more, mastermind more, and surround ourselves with other successful people so we can all learn together. Again, an abundance mindset, collaboration, take the time to collaborate and learn from other successful people that do what we do. So God bless, create an amazing day. You deserve it.